Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your harness and all right. Thank you all for exploring. Thank you for riding Barracuda Strike. And enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Boarding guests, please follow the tracks on the ground to your seats and pull the harness down over your head and shoulders. During your ride, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride vehicle, with your head back against the headrest.